Jesus says, turn to your left. Okay, pag sinabi kong left, isang isang ikot. Kumbaga, nasa right kayo, isang ikot lang, ibig sabihin nasa front side kayo, ha? Hindi pwedeng hanggang doon, hanggang sa dalawang ikot na yun. Okay. Kahit hindi, asan sila? Okay, ayun, ayun naman lang. Okay, Jesus says, turn to your right. Right. Jesus says, sit down. Sit down. Jesus says, turn to your left. Ayan. Jesus says, rise up. Left. Yan na si Mix. Okay na Mix. Okay ka na. Okay. Jesus says, turn to your left. Turn to your right. Okay, mali rin dalawa. Nakasinod yung Jesus. Dapat lang. Bakit mo sinundan?
Pausagin mo. Pausagin mo.
Okay, apat na lang. Okay, dali. Okay. Ano na ulit? Drop na ulit sa akin. Drop na. Okay, Jesus says, sit down. Jesus says, rise up. Jesus says, sit down. Ano yung dalawa? Okay, dalawa lang. Okay. Ready? Magal yung na ito. Si Jules kasi Logan. Alright. Sige, Jesus says, sit down. Turn to your right. Jesus says, rise up. Sit down. Turn to your right. Jesus says, ano? Okay, ready? Harap na dito, harap na. Alright, ready. Okay, Jesus says, turn around. Jesus says, sit down. Jesus says, rise up. Jesus says, turn to your left. Out na sila to. Naulit. Natira ka pa. Okay, harap na ulit. Jesus, harap na dito ulit. Jesus says, sit down. Jesus says, turn to your right. Jesus says, turn around. Okay, Jesus turn to, rise up. Okay, sit down. Jesus says, turn to your right. Turn to your left. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, ganti na lang. Okay, sige ba sa? Sige, ako na. Punta na kayo dito. Para sa akin. Okay, ready. Battle between. Okay, ready. Jesus says, turn around. Jesus says, turn to your right. Jesus says, turn to your left. Sige, okay lang yan. Dinayin ko. Pag isa ka na lang, pag sinabi yung turn to your left, isang ikot lang. Ibig sabihin nasa front ka na. Okay. Jesus says, hold your nose. Okay, Jesus says, turn to your right. Sit down. Turn to your left. Okay. Tapos sinabi Jesus. Okay, sige na lang.